Welcome back to Kayla Adventures! Hi! This is my first DIY slime video. Hi! I got some glitter glue here, and do you know why? Because to make it sparkly. And we need the container. Lastly, we need the spoon so we can mix it up. This is Sky, but I like to call her Puppy. And this is Gigi. These are my buddies to help me make the slime. So we need to put these three glues into the container. Now, it's time to add the color. I choose this hot pink one. And I also added glitter glue right there. You make sure to mix it well so it will turn well into slime. Now it's time to add the power gel. You need to mix it up until it hardens a bit. Woo! This is so tiring.
What happened to your face?
I keep telling you. I went to a beach, then I got sunburned because I swam too much. While I'm mixing this, do you want a joke?
Yeah.
Where do pencils go for vacation?
Where do pencils go for a vacation? Where? I don't know.
Pennsylvania!
Oh.
And another joke?
Okay, go ahead.
What do you call cheese that is not yours?
A cheese that is not yours. What?
Nacho cheese!
Nacho cheese.
Another one.
Another joke?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Why did a boy bring a letter to school?
Why did a boy bring a letter to school?
Yes.
Okay, why?
Because he wanted to go to high school.
High school.
So look, it turned into slime. Time to knead it. My hands are gonna get dirty. Oh man. We're almost done. See, I'm mixing it. I'm kneading it with my hands now. Now I finished my slime, guys. Yay, see? See guys, can you see the glitter? I'm making the slime. This is Kayla. Bye guys.
We're done.
We're done making the slime now. And